Hello everyone, this is Ritika Kanochia and you're watching Textile Value Chain. Today we are going to interview Ms. Maushmi Shamjit. She is the owner of this company. So hello ma'am, can you
Hi.
introduce yourself and your company and what are the innovation you are bringing in this exhibition today?
So I am from Shams Bag Industries and our brand is Shams Naturals. We deal in all eco-friendly, natural, sustainable and biodegradable products, mostly shopping bags. So the tote bags are made of eco-friendly material and we are actually a company which is based in Dubai. We manufacture the bags in Calcutta and from Dubai we cater to Middle East, Africa. We also have a warehouse in Poland and we cater to the European market there. Many of the wholesalers and retailers in India have approached us asking us for these products in India because they say that they are not able to source these products with this quality and price from Calcutta, even though they are in India. So we decided to try the Indian market a month earlier and we got dealers in New Delhi, Mumbai, and in Gujarat. We are looking for dealers now all over India, one dealer per state.
So what are the sustainable products you are practicing over here?
We deal in bags that are reusable, which are biodegradable, and which does not have any carbon footprint or cause any harm to the environment.
So how was your product is different from other and how you are going to give benefit to your customers?
So instead of using non-woven or plastic, which is not biodegradable and which has carbon, which leaves a carbon footprint, I would like to promote these bags which are sustainable and reusable. You can use them for 5 to 10 years without any problem, and practice these clean practices.
So, do any government is taking any initiative in your products?
As of now, no.
So, in India or another country globally, is there any player in your industry?
We have dealers all over Africa. We have dealers all over Middle East. In UAE, we have 20 dealers and nearly 200 sub-dealers. And we also have dealers in Europe.
So,
In
so you are globally right now.
Yes, we are global. Now we have decided to enter the Indian market because of the demand for our products for this brand Shams Naturals.
Okay. So, how was your experience in this exhibition today?
I feel even though this jute product is made in Calcutta and it's grown in Calcutta and the products are made in Calcutta, the people in India have not been able to utilize this or have not been able to source the bags properly. So we are in a very organized channel, and because of that, the price and the quality of the product is unbeatable.
So, what are the challenges do you facing in India?
In India, as of now, the market is very big. We don't have much any challenge, and I feel that it's going to be great.
Okay, so if any startup want to create this business and want to start business like you, what should they do?
They can approach us for dealership. So what our dealers do is to make the product available instantly. They need to stock like a 20 feet or a 40 feet container in their respective states, and then they will be able to distribute to the whole of the state the next day or the same day. So this is what we are trying to do to make this product accessible.
So in future, so what is your future plan? In future, you are going to have a stall in another country or in another states.
Actually, we are looking on the outlook for dealers. So we want dealers in all countries. So if it's a small country, it's one dealer per country, and in every state of India, since India is big, one state will have one dealer. So I have, they can contact me, and then we can go for dealership with them.
So customer have an often question like there are duplication of the products and the cheap products also. So how they are going to identify your products?
They can identify products with the quality and the price.
So do you have any signature logo in
Yes,
your?
we do.
Can you show us?
Shams Naturals is in the tag of all the bags. So it is all the item number, the details are all in the.
Okay, so do you want to say something to the people who have not visited Gartex Tex Process 2026?
Definitely, I would like to invite them. This is a very happening show We have been participating in many exhibitions throughout the world. Last year we were in Berlin. This year in May we are going to Spain. But the response and the demand as we have in India, I have never seen anywhere else. So please welcome, come and see and try to be our dealers.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your precious
Thank
word.
you. Thanks.